Hi, I'm Will, and I'm going to tell you today about my absolute favorite garden tool. That is the Hori Hori knife. These things are incredible. I don't go out in my own garden unless I have this on the sheath, on my hip. It has easy access with that leather sheath. I just pull it out for whatever I need to do. These are fantastic, groovy branded, so when you're out gardening at your community garden, if you happen to drop it, there's going to be absolutely no question whose it is. I use this instead of the traditional trowel. With it, I can dig, I can cut with that serrated edge. If there happen to be roots, I can get in and dig around and free up some fairly large size roots with that serrated edge that you see there. It's got a depth gauge that helps you make sure that you plant things at the appropriate depth. And then it does have kind of a sharper but not dangerously sharp straight edge right on that side. And I use this for planting. I use it for doing some trimming of roots. If I'm digging in a bigger hole and I've got a shovel and I've encountered a rock, this gets in there and lets me pry out the rock really easily with that point. It really is just the Swiss Army knife, if you will, of garden tools. Just the Hori Hori with the beautiful wood handle, the incredibly strong steel blade, and again, the gauges that you have there.